Your phone's Wi-Fi is like an unsung hero, which is always there, but chaos begins the second it disappears. And that's why Android is about to make connecting to Wi-Fi a lot easier. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Android is introducing a Wi-Fi sync feature as part of its March update for PCs and phones. Now users will only have to input login credentials once, and they'll be connected to Wi-Fi across their devices. So wherever connectivity is available, it's quickly and easily accessible. It's unclear how this will work or how many devices will be supported. Google has its own ChromeOS, which is currently merging with Android. In August 2025, Google Play Services v25.32 brought a similar feature called Wi-Fi Sync, letting users share and sync Wi-Fi networks across all your devices for easy connectivity. Apple also introduced a similar feature back in 2013 via an iCloud keychain update. Inputting the Wi-Fi credentials for a new network on a Mac is enough to have the login data sync with your other nearby Apple devices and connect them to all the known Wi-Fi networks. Presumably, the feature will work similarly on Android devices, including phones, tablets, and computers. Google has explained that if you have multiple Android devices and one is connected to a Wi-Fi network, that device can provide access to the others. You may see a notification appear on the devices that aren't connected to the internet. Choose to connect, and the unconnected device will join the Wi-Fi network without requiring a password entry. It'll remember that Wi-Fi network as well. This wasn't a feature that was required passionately, but it's good to have some convenience at hand. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.